Hey guys, if you're looking to change around your flooring, I'm so excited because I'm here with Steven from Mercier Flooring, and he's going to be talking to us about the durability of flooring.
Absolutely.
Right?
We are going to talk about the Intact 2500, which is...
it's different,
it's
right?
very different, and
it's durable.
Absolutely, and it's been introduced into the market to go into places where typically flooring hasn't been able to go, street front applications.
Okay.
And why we do this, Mark, is we have a hydrophobic finish that seals the wood. Our second finish is the commercial durability. So if you do drop something on the floor,
and we all do, right?
We all do, and the actual finish will not crack.
Okay, very cool.
And the last is a scratch-resistant finish,
which is the most important thing.
The scratch-resistant is absolutely incredible and will definitely provide beauty to your floor without the compromise of actual wood visual.
Perfect. Thanks so much, Steven. Guys, for more information, visit marcandmandy.com.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.